Welcome to my world. $2,400, we're going to issue out two $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, one for new subscribers, one for people comment. We're also looking for about 8 more people to give out one 5-item surprise pack from the Dollar Tree valued at $6.25. The rules are, if you're new, say hi anywhere in any of the comment sections down below. Become a part of our growing community. Get to know us. You also need to be a U.S. resident and subscribed. If you've been around a long time, you know the drill. You have to be a U.S. resident and subscribed. These rules apply to both of my giveaways. The gift card giveaways happen after every 100 subscribers, and we're getting closer every day. Thank you so much, and we're growing every day. We're almost over 11,000 views from this past month. And this morning, I'm going to take care of the front bedroom, clean up in the TV room, and shake out the rug. Do a sweep in the dining room. Nothing's on the table. That's the way I like things. Laundry basket is empty. We don't have laundry again until tomorrow. Take care of the middle bedroom and the bathroom. We're coming off a long weekend. Kids had yesterday off, Tuesday, and they were off this past Friday due to lack of snow days. And we're going to sweep in the kitchen. Take care of the countertop. Put away some dishes and clean up in the sink. I used the stovetop yesterday, so we'll need to wipe it down, as well as the microwave. Save the coffee for later and clean up the little countertop. Hey everyone, a cleaning motivation video for you guys today. Get the dishes put away that were drying overnight. A little bit of clutter in the cabinet, so I'm going to quickly fix it. Get things hung up on the mug racks. Put away my baking stuff, utensils, and cooking utensils. Then we're going to focus on the stovetop. I'm going to put away the coffee for some iced coffee. Take care of the filter. Now we're going to wipe underneath the dish drain and wash it down, grabbing my tea towels for the cleaning. Washing the dish drain every few days. We wash it down because it gets gross stuff in it and soap scum. And you don't want to put your clean dishes on a dirty dish rack. It is important to keep them clean every few days. Unless you have a dishwasher, and you should still clean your dishwasher at least every 30 days or every 3 months, depending on your schedule. Just a few dishes in the sink here. Grabbing my different sponge, 3 sponges, one for counter surfaces, one for the sink to wash out, one for the actual dishes. And then I microwave them when I'm done with them all to kill all the germs and let them dry. And we'll grab my other sponge, wash the sink down a couple times a day. It keeps the smells down. If you notice a smell in your dish drain, grab some lemon juice, pour it in, or you can boil baking soda and hot water with dish soap and lemon juice and do that. That'll keep it clean too. Now we're on to the countertop. Going to scrub it down with hot soapy water, then wipe it down with a clean tea towel. On to the other side of the kitchen. Going to clean off some of the clutter. Put the coffee away for iced coffee. I'm going to dump out the excess water in the coffee maker and wash down the counter here while it's not on it. I like to wipe underneath everything. A little coffee spill, I want to make sure I get it. Now onto the stove top, I'm going to scrub it down. I have a little hot plate there where spices sit. Now into the microwave. The plate was done over the weekend. Now we're going to put the coffee maker back and wipe down the garbage can. The rag in my hand will go into the bathroom to dry, then into the laundry basket. Dining room, we're going to do a full sweep and wipe down the dinner table for tonight. Then we're going to head left of the dining room, take care of the bathroom and the middle bedroom. We're going to sweep in here now. I don't need to mop. I mop a couple times a week or as needed. If there's a spill, of course, we mop it up and don't leave it. And under the table, around the chairs. I disappear for a second. Now I have this one-touch rule. If I see something walking by and I touch it, I have to put it away instead of leaving it because you don't want it left out to get lost or broken. I didn't put my dress away and it took me a few days to find it, but we found it. Into the pantry shelves here, going to hang up the picnic bag and then put away the bottled water and chocolate milk and granola bars for the next time. Now I'm going to wipe down my dinner table and do the rims of all the chairs so it's ready for dinner tonight. The bathroom, we're going to do the sink first, then the toilet. The shower is done off camera because it's old and rusty. If you are new or just curious, I'm going to put the Comet down, let it sit for about a minute, as well as in the toilet. I only use the Comet in the bowl of the toilet, and then the part of the seat that touches the seat part where it rests on, as well as the back of the lid. The rest is all sprayed down with Dollar Tree's LA Totally Awesome with Orange. Onto the sink, I'll sprinkle a little into the basin of the sink, wash all the way in the basin as well as the little counter space that is on the pedestal here. And wipe down the faucets and underneath everything. Then we're going to focus on the toilet. The toilet's brush only touches the bowl with the Comet, with the lip part and where it rests, and then the seat part where it rests. Then the rest gets sprayed down with Dollar Tree LA Awesome with Orange. Then we'll do a quick sweep and adjust the rug, put the garbage can back, and go into the next room. The bedroom, my teens' room. Gonna get the bed made up and sweep in here. While they were home, they made their bed every day and put away their own laundry. There is a pile up there, and I'll leave one outfit out for school tomorrow, which is Thursday. We had a really long weekend due to lack of snow days. We were off Friday and Tuesday, as I mentioned. Let's get this room cleaned up. Kids made their bed during the long break that we have when they go to school. I make it. I don't want them a mess. They don't have time before the bus gets here in the morning, or if they have to be at school very early for a field trip or some kind of activity like jazz band. So I'm going to make the bed so it's ready when they get home and they can just plop down and do their homework. Fluff the pillows up. Then we're going to change camera angles, take care of some clutter, put away some clothes. I give them a week to put away clothes, but this time I just going to put them away and leave an outfit out for tomorrow plus some pajamas for tonight. Get all the throws on. Now I'm sweeping up, and I'll pick up that bag last and take care of the garbage can. Gonna put away some of the clothes, as I mentioned, and leave an outfit and pajamas out. Tidy up the dresser top. Get these shorts and pants put away. It gets cold in here with the air conditioner, so my kid likes to have long pants when they are chilling in the room. TV room, I'm going to shake the rug out, tidy up the fan onto the right, as well as the little basket, clean up the coffee table, get the couch ready for the day to a full sweep. Into the TV room, shaking out the rug. I'm going to do a sweep all the way around, move the coffee table out of the way. Very dusty in here. Now we're going to take care of the blanket I use behind my TV for hidden storage. Gonna take care of the fan in my little basket. Put the rug back. I don't need to mop in here. Get a few things that I missed. And I'll disappear for a second. And then when we come back, we're going to sit down and wipe down at the coffee table. Tidy up the little tray there. I think I want to paint it completely black or a light blue. I haven't decided yet. Front bedroom. We're going to get the bed made, sweep the floor, plug in any devices that need plugging in, close any drawers, and do a sweep. In the front bedroom, my tweens room, get the bed made. Flip the blanket out and make the lip up at the top. Then I'll adjust the pillows once the bed's made. Jacqueline doesn't care for a lot of throws or dolls anymore. Makes it a little simpler and easier in here. Now I'm going to sweep the floor. That little piece of paper goes to a cord for a lamp, and I tuck the cord in. Now we're going to tidy up the desk with the mouse. Doesn't need wiping down because I did do a cleaning burst last night. My kid had gone to their friend's house for a few hours, took advantage of it. Got the iPad plugged in. Everything's done. We did the floors. I shut a few drawers. Have the little cabinet ready for today when they get home later tonight. Plugged in the tablet because the laptop was plugged in. Nothing needed wiping down. They went to their friends yesterday, and I was able to do a light cleanup in here so it was ready for the night, so they were more comfortable. They made their beds. I just did some sweeping because I was doing a cleaning burst in the evening. Different view of my TV room. There was a lot of dirt in here from a long weekend. We're outside more and it's tracked in. Even though we take our shoes off, it just gets in even with the windows closed when it's hot and the air conditioners are running. I'm powering down as I go through room to room. I'll leave my light on for editing. I use behind my TV for storage. The floor swept. Clean table for dinner. No laundry to fold today. I did that during the clean burst yesterday. Very little laundry in the laundry basket. In the summertime you have less laundry depending on your family size because you're wearing dresses, shorts, lighter pants, capri, depending on who you are. The bathroom is ready to go. The shower will be done off camera. Middle bedroom done. The kitchen gets cleaned multiple times a day and swept, and the counters are use. And we wash dishes after breakfast, lunch, dinner, one more did. Those will be put away when they're dry. The rag that wiped down the garbage can is hang drying to go into the laundry basket later. Coffee maker was dumped out from excess water. Everything wiped down, including the microwave and the dish drain and under it today.